Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to insert a shape on a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor. Now click on this comment option and here you will find this drawing option. Click this down arrow and there are many kinds of shape. This oval, rectangle, polygon, cloud, arrow, line and polyline. First I'll insert rectangle. Click on this rectangle and click right button and select properties. Here you can change this rectangle border color and border thickness. I make it 5 and here you can change fill color also. This one, and you can change this opacity also, and this border style you can change it. This dotted border and this solidly. Now select close, and also you can rotate your shape if you want. And you can increase decrease this rectangle wide and height and so on, and this opacity, and also I'll insert this circle. Select here and similar way we can change this on and select properties and do it similarly. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.